Rule number 6. Safe speed. Every vessel shall at all times proceed at a safe speed so that she can take proper and effective action to avoid collision and stop within a distance, appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions. In determining a safe speed, the following factors shall be among those taken into account. A. By all vessels, the state of visibility, the traffic density, including concentrations of passing vessels or any other vessels, the maneuverability of vessels with special reference to stopping distance and turning ability in the prevailing conditions. At night, the presence of background lights such as from shore lights or from backscatter of her own lights may include the state of wind, sea and current, the proximity of navigational hazards, navigation, the drought in relation to the available depth of water. Additionally, by vessels with operational radar, the characteristics, efficiency, and limitations of the radar equipment, any constraints imposed by the radar range scale issues, the effective of radar detection of the sea, state weather and other sources of interference, the possibility that small vessels, ice, and other floating objects may not be detected by radar at an adequate range. The number, location, and movement of vessels detected by radar. The more exact assessment of the visibility that may be possible when radar is used to determine the range of vessels of other objects in the vicinity.